Apple products. What is the difference between a smartphone and a tablet? The basic difference is first of all the size, okay, and the processing power. But there are other differences which we need to talk. First, you must know that smartphone is the smallest form factor, that is the size. Previously, we were using mobile phones, now you have smartphones. So, smartphones are connected to internet. Even if it is not, there are basic activity which you can do. Then you have laptop, that is computer, desktop computer, a short form, compact form is laptop. In between it, there is a form factor, the size. So in between laptop and computer and the smartphone, in between this, we have a form factor called tablet. Okay, it is higher form factor size than smartphone and lower than the laptop screen size and computer screen size. That is called tablet. So this is a kind of layer wise description. This is a phone, smartphone. Smartphone is basically for calling, But now since it is a smartphone, you have all the other tools like camera. So these camera and others like this is smartphone is basically a small computer. It has an operating system, proper operating system like Google, Android. If you have Apple phone, then iOS. There are Windows phone also, BlackBerry OS also. So it's a mini computer, smartphone. Only the size is smaller, 5 to 6 inch will be the screen. All the work today is done on smartphone. Even the online classes, even the video calling, along with the calling, everything is done on these smartphones. When we come to tablet, this is also a wireless portable personal computer. So it's much nearer to a computer. But you work on as a touch screen because there is a touch screen interface. On computer, you work with keyboard and mouse, but here tablet, you work using your finger, your gestures. So it's more useful than the notebook computer. That is why you can take it from one place to another. The screen size is bigger than smartphone, so reading the book or working some, while on the go, you can do it on tablet. It is also equipped with the operating system, different operating system. Screen size, as I said, 5 to 6 inch around screen size, 10 to 11 size is the of tablet. Photos and videos, prolonged watching of movie and this all other stuff is quite difficult here. It is just for momentary usage. Please see that if you want to do video editing or some higher work, the screen is bigger. You want to read a book, you want to edit something. So for that, tablet is there. Battery life, because in smartphone you are doing everything right now. The battery size is smaller, but tablet the battery life is higher, longer battery life. Because first of all, phone is smaller and there are so many applications running on the background. But here you do some specific work. You can have a SIM card inside this, but it's not always required. It can be used only as a computer, as a device, computing device, right? So if you take the background, you'll see this is the only size of the battery of smartphone. When we talk about storage, there are different capacities. See, it's all about paying money. Okay, whatever money you pay, you have different companies offering different storage sizes. But still we have, depending on the cost, you have 32 GB, 62 GB, 128 GB. But tablet, it has a higher storage capacity. They can store more pictures, videos and applications. So this is where the tablet takes a way ahead. But you cannot put it in your pocket. Smartphones can be put in your pocket.